How to monetize Facebook account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Make sure you're logged in to your Facebook account. Then click on the three lines at the top left. There, click on your name. It will open up your profile. Then click on the three dots at the top right. Here you'll find turn on professional mode. Turn on professional mode. In my case, it's already turned on, so I just need to go to my profile. There in the profile, there is dashboard. Click on the dashboard. Now to monetize, here at the top, scroll to the left and click on monetization. And if you're eligible, you'll find all the options. You can earn money from Facebook for all your well-performing eligible content. That is, if you get more views, you'll get money. And also earn money by offering videograms, custom videos from you to fans. And also if your fans support you by sending stars and gifts, you'll get money and generate income with exclusive content, which is only if people pay you, they will be able to see the subscription videos. And this is how to monetize Facebook account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.